Good morning, friends. I hope you guys know that we miss you every single day. We wish we were with you guys, but um, great news for Perry. This week we're going to be talking about letter P. So when you guys make that sound p, 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 it's kind of like the B where you want to cut the sound off, like p, p, p. I don't want it to sound like p, okay? So when you start tapping out those sounds, you want to make sure it's p. Now when you write letter P, guys, you can see on our parrot here, for capital P, I start at the top, make a straight line down. I do pick it up. It almost reminds me of letter R. Big circle or curve round at the top, and then I stop. So it's like that letter R, just without that extra, the slant down. And then lowercase p, I do not pick up on this one. So I start on vanilla, straight line down. I come back up, bounce, circle round. If I flip those ones around, especially the lowercase p, it would look like a number 9. So if I'm going to make a capital or an uppercase P right here, guys, I start at the, start at the top, big straight line down, come back to the top, and curve around. Almost like an R, but I don't have a slant. Then lowercase P starts down a little bit lower. I go down, bounce back up, circle around at the top. Kind of looks like a number 9, guys. Okay? And then I chose, actually my markers are kind of funny. I chose pinkish purple because those color words start with the letter P. So Perry will be super excited this week knowing that we're making that P sound, and you guys can tap out Perry because her name starts with a P. All right, guys, have fun. We miss you.